Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll talk about development and use of the Halligan tool. But before we dive into it, if you're interested in this type of information, hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell for notifications when I post new videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video. This helps us get more visitors. Thank you. The development and use of the Halligan tool has significantly impacted the capabilities of firefighters in forcible entry and rescue operations. The Halligan tool is a versatile and essential tool that plays a pivotal role in gaining access to structures and vehicles during emergencies. Originally developed by New York City Fire Department firefighter Hugh Halligan in the 1940s, the Halligan tool was designed to combine the functionalities of an axe and a pry bar into a single tool. Its distinctive forked end is used for prying open doors, windows, and other openings, while the adze end is used for cutting and chopping through various materials. The Halligan tool's effectiveness lies in its ability to quickly and efficiently force entry into locked or barricaded areas. Firefighters can use it to break through doors, remove window frames, or pry apart debris. The tool's design and versatility make it invaluable in situations where prompt access is crucial for life-saving efforts, such as rescue and fire suppression. Modern variations of the Halligan tool include enhancements like built-in gas shutoff features, allowing firefighters to turn off utility supplies quickly, minimizing hazards during emergency situations. The tool's rugged construction, typically made of high-strength steel, ensures durability in the demanding environments firefighters face. Training in the proper use of the Halligan tool is vital for firefighters to maximize its potential and ensure safety. Firefighters learn techniques for effectively prying open doors, creating ventilation openings, and breaching walls. The tool's precision and power require proper handling to prevent injuries to both firefighters and victims. In conclusion, the development and use of the Halligan tool have revolutionized forcible entry and rescue operations in firefighting. Its ingenuity, adaptability, and capacity to swiftly breach barriers and access critical areas make it an indispensable asset for firefighters around the world. The Halligan tool's legacy continues to shape firefighting strategies and contributes to more effective emergency responses. Well, that's it for now. I invite you to check out my website at chiefsclassroom.org for an in-depth approach to entry-level firefighter testing. Each of my courses is designed to complement the other courses, and together they direct the student in how to approach the exam process. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses. Take care.